My last bit of advice for you is something that will keep you around long enough to develop into the successful trader that you want to be. And that advice is to love what you do. A few times we've compared the process of becoming a professional Forex trader to a professional athlete, so let's continue with that analogy. The best professional athletes like Michael Jordan, Brett Favre, Tiger Woods all practice thousands and thousands of hours to become the best of the best. Michael Jordan would make thousands of shots during practice each week just to increase his chance of making 20 shots in one game. Brett Favre would spend hours studying tapes of his upcoming competition to be able to read their defense and score against them in one 60-minute game. Tiger Woods spent 15 years of his life practicing for thousands of hours before he won his first pro tournament. The reason I share this is that if these guys didn't love what they did, if they didn't love the process of developing their professional skills, they would have given up very quickly. The same applies to you. You have to love the process of developing your skills to become a professional trader. You have to stay motivated by whatever your reasons are and find joy in trading. Of course, there are going to be ups and downs and days that you feel like you just want to quit. There will be days when you feel like the market is moving at random and you don't understand why your trading system is failing. There will be days when you feel lazy, when you don't feel like journaling your trades, or you don't feel like reviewing your previous day's trades in preparation for the day. You will have a lot of days like this, especially as you start out. And this is when loving what you do will keep you doing what you know you need to do to become a successful trader. You don't have to be uber smart or have any crazy degrees to be successful in this market. You just need the ability to persevere and embrace any changes that come your way. It is going to take lots of hours of practice to trade well, but it is so worth it. I'm so excited for you to start your Forex journey. You are ready to go with all of the information you need. Now you just need to practice, practice, practice. Never give up and improve every day, and you could be on your way to financial freedom through Forex trading. Come back and review any modules you need to, and I wish you the best of luck.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.